Hi Sujit. Hi sir. How are you? I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. Yes, Sujit, where are you from?
I'm from Hyderabad.
Okay, and what is your education qualification?
I completed my MBA on the University of Technology and
Okay, and how do you know about SVC?
through social.
Okay, and what did you learn from SVC during this 2 months training?
Here I gain knowledge on investment banking and communication skills, which helped me to crack interviews easy.
Okay, good to know that. Yes, Sujit, share your interview experience.
It was totally 3 rounds. First one was HR person interview. They mostly focused on my communication, and other two were technical rounds. It was face-to-face interview. They mostly focused on subject knowledge. They nearly asked like 17, 18 questions, and I answered most of them.
Okay,
And also they focused on my project work.
very good, very good. You got selected for Wells Fargo company, right?
Yes.
Okay, and when you are going to join?
And next please.
Okay, congratulations and all the very best.
Thanks.